Need help with your ToughTail system? The Support Center is your one-stop resource. From the Settings tab, tap Support Center. Here, you'll find multiple ways to get assistance. Sloan is our intelligent AI assistant. Ask questions in natural language, and Sloan will provide instant answers about features, troubleshooting, and best practices. For example, let's ask, what does it mean when the light on my device is solid blue? Sloan responds in real time, explaining that a solid blue light indicates your device is connected to Bluetooth. It's like having a support expert available 24/7 right in your pocket. You can also reach us directly by email at support@toughtail.com for any questions or concerns. For issues requiring a support ticket, tap Create Ticket. Let's walk through an example. First, select a category. We'll choose App Related. Next, select the specific issue. Let's tap Notifications Not Working. You can add a description to provide more details about your issue and attach media like screenshots if needed. When you're ready, tap Submit. Your ticket is now created, and our support team will respond as soon as possible. You can view your ticket history anytime to track responses and continue conversations with our team. For self-service help, tap User Manuals and Guides to access detailed documentation you can review directly in the app. And if you're just getting started, the Quick Start section will navigate you to our walkthrough videos for step-by-step guidance on every feature. Our support team is committed to helping you get the most from your pet tracking